Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about a big company in India selling parts of itself, and one about the US stopping money for health help in South Africa. Please join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I am with Sarah, our LinguaWire business reporter. Sarah, what is happening with the big company in India?
Hello, Daniel. A very big company in India called Jio is going to sell parts of itself to the public. This is called an IPO. It means many people can buy a small part of the company.
Why is this news important for India?
It is important because Jio is one of the biggest companies in India. It has more than 500 million people using its services. Selling parts of the company can bring a lot of money to Jio and to India's economy.
How much money does Jio want to get from this sale?
Jio wants to get about $4 billion US. That is a very large amount of money.
Who owns Jio?
The owner is Mukesh Ambani. He is one of the richest men in the world. He talked about this plan at a meeting with people who own parts of his company.
What does Ambani say about selling parts of Jio?
He says this sale will show the world that India can make big technology companies. He wants people to see India as a place for big business.
When did Jio start, and what does it do?
Jio started in 2016. It is a phone and internet company. It gave cheap internet to many people in India. Now it also works with cloud computers and smart technology.
Are there other companies like Jio in India?
Yes, there are other big companies like Bharti Airtel. Jio and Airtel also work with a company called SpaceX to bring internet from space to India.
Why do people watch this sale carefully?
Because the stock market in India has been not very steady. People want to see if they will buy parts of the company or not. It is a test for the market.
Thank you, Sarah. This is a big step for Jio in India. Now I am with Michael, our LinguaWire World News reporter. Michael, what is the news about the US and South Africa?
Hello, Daniel. The U.S. government says it will stop giving money to help fight HIV in South Africa. This is new and important news.
Why does the US want to stop this money?
The U.S. says South Africa did not protect a group of people called Afrikaners. South Africa says this is not true. They do not agree with the U.S.
How many people in South Africa have HIV?
More than 8 million people in South Africa have HIV. This is the highest number in the world.
How much money did the US give to South Africa before?
The U.S. gave about $400 million every year to help fight HIV in South Africa.
What does South Africa say about the US decision?
South Africa says it was not told about this decision before, but they say they have a plan to help themselves without the U.S. money.
Has the relationship between the US and South Africa changed recently?
Yes, since President Trump started, the relationship became difficult. The US said South Africa has some unfair laws. South Africa disagrees with this.
What else did the US say about South Africa?
The US also talked about South Africa's actions in international courts and its connections with other countries. Because of this, the US said it will stop the help.
What could happen now for people with HIV in South Africa?
It may be harder to get help without the US money, but South Africa wants to use its own money and plans to keep helping people.
Thank you, Michael. This is a difficult situation for South Africa and many people there. Let's look at some useful words from today's stories. First, from the story about Geo in India, we have 3 words about business and money. The first word is share. A share is a small part of a company that people can buy. In the story, Geo will sell shares to many people. For example, I bought shares in a small company last year. The second word is customer. A customer is a person who buys goods or services. Geo has over 500 million customers who use its phone and internet services. For example, the shop has many customers every day. The third word is money. Money is what people use to buy things or pay for services. Geo wants to get $4 billion from selling shares. For example, I need money to buy food. Now, for the second part, we will learn about the verb stop. Stop means to end something or not continue. In the story about South Africa, the US will stop giving money. The verb stop is easy to use. For example, I stop work at 5 p.m. or please stop talking. In the past, we say stopped with ed. For example, she stopped the car or they stopped the meeting. So, stop helps us talk about ending actions or things. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.